When I popped off, then you gave me just a little bit.
Okay, I was debating on making this video because Hurricane Dorian just came through, and obviously not a lot happened. I am around the Savannah area, and we're supposed to get a lot worse weather than we did. But for some reason, I guess it just turned last second and hit us. But it's still pretty windy, so the audio is not going to be that great. Obviously, look, I got flags. It looks so pretty too. Yeah, one of the poles is painted black. I'm gonna do it this pole, but I don't have time today, nor do I have enough paint. But I wanted to go through how I did my flags to save you a lot of money. Okay, if you have a Ford Ranger. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's the only downside. Sometimes you can't open your tailgate or easily. Okay, Ford Ranger. This is one of the best ways. This is a $15 Walmart flag. Obviously, the flag will rip, so get a better flag. But go to Lowe's, maybe Walmart carries them. I got mine from Lowe's. These are conduit clamps, 3x4 conduit clamps. Like this, you can take out these screws that are in your on this little plate on your tailgate. See, the wind's blowing. Oh, okay. Let's take those out, and then there's a little hole. Stick the screw through the hole and screw it back down. Sturdy. That's not going anywhere. You have to take your pliers and close this down before you put it on, and then have to beat the conduit clamp onto it. It works 100%, and it's cheap. I think the conduit clamps cost me $2. I think these cost me $1 for a pack of 6. Closes like that. Closes fine. The flags together cost me $30, so this is $32. So it cost $32. Obviously, you'll need a star piece, like a little star piece set to get in the or do the where is it? Do the little bit. Yeah, it's not difficult at all. $32, and I got 2 flags now. Of course, you are gonna have to get your flags because this one is tearing up. My buddy had this one on his burnt Ranger, and he gave it to me when we found out about this little neat trick. And I've never seen it done this way, and I thought it was really cool. So yeah, tell me what you think, and I figured maybe this could help. So yeah, this is a short little video, but that's about it for this one.